This is the Acebeam T35. It's a bit of a tactical outdoor EDC style torch. It's got a stainless steel bezel there, like a bit of a strike bezel for hitting stuff. There's a smooth reflector and a luminous SFT40 emitter, so you can see it's got a square emitter and it's super throwy, so throws pretty far. I think there's a bike behind me. Oops, two bikes. Cool. It's got a big tail switch at the back there, and there is a side switch to change the mode. And I'm tripping over trees. Oh, there's 2, 3, 4. Oh, whoa, that's a lot. Got little baby duckies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This particular torch has a smooth reflector, so it's just like a shiny mirror surface, and it's got a luminous SFT40 LED, so it's a square phosphor and a smooth reflector, so that produces the hot spot in the middle, like a white hot spot, and you get a really good beam distance with this type of design. You can also see off to the sides with the spill. So that's the lowest mode. And then you've got low, medium, high, turbo. So that's turbo. Turbo is a bit too bright to be walking around with. I'm going to blind everyone. So I think 1, 2, 3. I think the third mode's probably okay. You get a long run time. Ah, there's an owl, so I'll just let him be. Oh. See ya.